Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to record yourself and your screen inside Canva. It's super simple once you know where everything is. So let's get into it. So first, you'll need to open up a new design. Just click Create a Design, and yeah, you can pick any size you like. I usually go with a blank presentation because it gives enough space for recordings. Once your canvas loads, look over on the left side, scroll a bit if you need, and click Apps. In the search bar, type Record Yourself, and you should see Canva's recording tool show up. It pops up pretty fast. When the tool opens, Canva gives you a few options: camera only, screen only, or both at the same time. For this tutorial, select the option that says Camera and Screen. This lets you record your face plus whatever window you want to show. Next, Canva will ask what you want to share. Choose your whole screen or a specific window, then hit Share. If you see a browser pop up asking for permissions, just allow camera and microphone access. Yeah, that part's important or it won't record. Now you're basically ready. Hit the big record button, wait for the countdown, and start talking. Canva records your screen, your camera bubble, and your audio all at once, which is super convenient. When you're done, click Stop. Canva will process the clip for a moment, and then you can drop it straight onto your design. You can resize it, move your camera bubble, trim the video, all that good stuff. All right, final step. Head up to the top right and click Share, then choose Download. Pick video format, usually MP4, and hit Download. Canva will render your full recording with your screen and webcam merged together. And that's pretty much how to record yourself and your screen in Canva. It's a really handy tool if you're making tutorials, walkthroughs, or, quick explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.